All right, it's Friday, June 7th. I'm buying some SPY, 532 calls at 557. This is here on the 15-minute chart that on bar one kind of had a bit of a hammer look, opening in the middle of the pre-market range and kind of moving up on bar number two here. And, I watched it for a second just to make sure that it looked like it's kind of holding. So I'm going to buy it here and just see if we can kind of grind our way up towards the pre-market highs. We had the economic release, it had a lot of volatility on the pre-market range. We're in the middle of the range. So our first target is obviously, I guess, the close of yesterday and then this pre-market high. We'll see, as we come to the end of the week here on the weekly chart, we're up strongly green. So as long as this kind of holds in here, you're expecting higher into next week. So it's a good day to look to buy, to hold the green bar and then continue higher. I don't know on the day itself, given, that volatility is the pre-market, if this momentum bar from yesterday, a little red, bar that just paused is going to really build a lot of momentum to the upside before the end of the day, but you never know. At least the opening price action is starting you to the upside here. So we will see if, in this overall uptrend, we kind of, looks like we're getting the two down failure day if it all works out, that we kind of took out the low of the previous. We're not going to get to those pre-market lows. We took out the low of the previous day. If we can get through the midpoint of that day, which is really just a little bit of follow through here, then that kind of shows the outside day to the upside, and that falls more in line with this momentum bar that you kind of expected to hold yesterday and then continue higher today. So that's what's unfolding here. The pre-market range with the gave you an opportunity, I think, maybe to buy near the lows of yesterday's little momentum bar, even though there's a wide pre-market range. And then we just see if structure unfolds to the upside. One push, pause, two pushes up, taking out the highs of yesterday to start and hopefully closing strongly green, by the end of the week.